Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have a new subscription to share with you all today. Well, I don't think it's a new subscription, but it's new to me and new to my channel. And I thought I'd try them all at least once, but I've never had beads from this company before. It's called Hey Beads, as you can see from the little business card there. The note they put in the package for me says we are a women-owned, zero-waste business. You'll notice that our packaging is reused and on the untraditional side in some cases. We put in extra effort to find the most beautiful, interesting, and unusual, mostly vintage beads that we can. It says because we choose only vintage, antique, or dead stock beads, you are guaranteed to get unique items in a curated collection you won't find anywhere else. So that sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun. They gave me a coupon code to share with you all. It's THJ20, and it says this will get you 20% off your first order of any product, subscription, or otherwise. I'll put that on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to their website so you can check them out if you want to. It's got this little QR code here, and I tried it and it works. It says, please click the link for the contents of the Painting with Elephants collection. So that sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun. So it's wrapped up in this pretty little bag here. So let me open it up without getting it knotted and see if I can give you all a little peek of what's in here. It's a some pretty cloth here. If you need quilting, you could use this as some quilting materials. So that looks like what we've got here. So hold on and I'll get everything organized and I'll pull up that website there with the QR code and see if I can identify what all these are, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got a couple of strands here first, and I'm going to do them first. This one is the Indian-made faceted glass briolets, 10 millimeters by 4 millimeters. And those are really neat. They're like an elongated briolet. And it's a really pretty color. It's like a, I guess it's, I don't know if it's a dark gray or maybe a slate blue. It might be what that is. I can see some flashes of blue in there depending on how you turn them in the light. And those are just really pretty, shiny and sparkly with the facets and everything. Those are just beautiful. And the next strand, I only have two that are on strands, the rest of them are loose, is Azure faceted glass rounds, 3.5 millimeters by 4 millimeters. And those are really a really pretty color blue. Go really well with these, I think. It looks like everything in here is going to go really well together. Like it said, it's carefully curated. So hold on and let me get the first loose beads and I'll be back. Okay, these are Cerulean faceted glass drops with a shiny coating on one side, 6 millimeters by 9 millimeters. And these are really pretty. Let me see if I can get one on a couple of them on my pen here. They're top drilled. That's what they look like. They're like, you can kind of see through one side there, and then the other side is just the coating. Those are just really pretty and go really well with these other beads that I've shown you so far. There's quite a few of them here. Good little number of them. So hold on, let me get the next thing. Okay, next I've got some midnight glass globes with an AB spot, 6 millimeter. And I've never had any beads like this before. There's quite a few of them. They're midnight blue. Let's see if I can get a couple up here on my pen so y'all can see what they look like in the AB spot. That's really cool. I've never seen anything like that. Those are really neat. Really, really pretty and go really well with all these other beads. I know I keep saying that, but they do. I don't think it's going to be hard to make something from this subscription. And there's a whole lot of these. Nice little generous amount there. So hold on, let me get the next thing. Okay, these are some faceted pale blue and green rounds, 7.5 by 7 millimeter. And these are really cool. It depends on how you turn them. You can either, you'll see blue and green. I don't know how they do that. That's just really unique and different. Let's see if I can get some on my pen here. Nice. A little bit of a chunkier bead than those others that I showed already. Those are just really fascinating me. Another some more of these beads that I could just sit and stare at all day. So hold on, I'll get the next thing. Okay, next I've got some electric blue glass Buddha heads, 6.5 by 7.5 millimeter. These are really cute, very different. I mean, I've had Buddha head beads before, but never any like this. There's quite a few of them there. Let me see if I can get them on my pen here, and you can see the head better. Those are so cute. Little Buddha heads. It's really, really cute. Like I said, there's a lot of them here. So hold on, I'll get the next thing. Okay, next I've got 5 faceted glass blue and green rondelles, 7.5 by 10 millimeter. So this box doesn't just have teeny tiny beads in it or big beads in it. It's got all different shapes and sizes. And these are really pretty. They're just rondelles like we've all seen before, but that's just so interesting how they mix the blue and the green there. Well, one is blue and one is green. When you've got them in that dish there, they look like they're, well, I don't know. I think they're kind of half blue and half green. I don't know what they are. They're really pretty, though. Really sparkly and lots of facets. They're just really nice. And then I've got 4 acrylic silver elephant charms, 22 millimeters from trunk to tail. That's cute. I don't use very many acrylic beads, but I don't mind using them if they're pretty, and these are pretty. And they're the same on both sides. And oftentimes I can't tell acrylic from glass. I mean, they're much lighter, so they would be good, you know, if you wanted to use them for earrings. They would be really good for earrings because they're so lightweight. And there's 4 of them here. Those are really cute little elephants. And their trunk is up, which I think means good luck, from what I understand. So hold on, I think I have one more little box here. Hold on. Okay, I just want to show you all the cute little box that this is in. When they were talking about some of their packaging might be unusual, this is obviously what they're talking about. They reuse containers like this to send things in. So hold on, I'll get all this out of here and I'll be able to hopefully tell you what everything is. Hold on. Okay, these are frosted teal glass globes with a half matte finish, 7.5 millimeters. And these are just beautiful matte beads. I mean, y'all know I love my sparkle and shine, but I also like putting matte next to the sparkle and shine. It makes the sparkle and shine show up more. These are really pretty. They're just really pretty. They're matte on one side and you can see through them on the other side. So hold on, let me get the next thing. They were all in one little box here, but I'm trying to find what they are on my little list here so I can tell you what they are. So hold on. Okay, these are just really, really gorgeous. These are some small turquoise howlite hearts, 15.5 millimeters. And there's 8 of them there. And these are just really beautiful. That's how the hole is there. Those are just really, really beautiful. Really pretty little heart beads. And then last, I have a 1960s Mexican hand-painted ceramic 2-hole slab bead. That's just really pretty. I love that design on there. That'd be really good for a bracelet. You could use it as a bracelet, and they've got big holes there. You could put some leather through there or some macrame cord and do some macrame. That would just be perfect for a focal for a bracelet. It's just so pretty. That's what it looks like on the back. And I think that's everything. So hold on and I'll get everything together and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything I got from Hey Beads. These are some really beautiful beads. There's a lot of beads here. I can't wait to see what I can make from these. I'll definitely be making something from these beads. They're just really pretty. I think my favorite piece might be that little 2-hole slab there that I think would make a really good bracelet focal. But they're also neat, these hearts, and the little Buddha heads are just so cute. Like I said, I'll put a link to their website in the description box below so you all can check them out if you want to. And that coupon code will save you 20% off your order if you make an order with them or if you subscribe to their subscription. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, hope y'all have a great day. Take care.